Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a secret tricks to play YouTube in background while using other apps. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see apps. Press on this. Now here you have to search for your YouTube app. Now click on it. Here you can see open by default. Press on this. Now you can see here open supported links. You just have to turn on this button. Now you have to go to your Chrome browser and search for YouTube. Now open your any video. Now go back. Here you can see your video. If you want to play this, you can play it. And now you can open your another app. So this is how you can play YouTube in background while using other app. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.